Hey yo, what's up? Today I will show you what changed around my setup recently, because you can see a lot of happens, because last time I think I posted about my setup, like the complete part was when I still had the E87, I guess. I'm not really sure about that there, so let me just look that up real quick. Okay, so I checked everything, and turns out the last time I recorded a video was in Polish, and it was about Mercedes W210 cluster. That is, by the way, somewhere over here. Like you can see it, I guess. I'm not sure. It's over here in the corner. I don't really know, because I'm testing a new harness that I have on ahead. I will see how this video turns out, because if you don't see this POV on the YouTube, then it means I recorded the... What the fuck was that? I heard something crashing. Anyway, let me get in my luxury Czech limousine. As you can see, I don't have the sketch for the M5 cluster yet. I have the wake up sketch though, and you can see it lights up really nice. It has only 74,000 kilometers on it. I also connected the most. The entry nav is also connected, as you can see. I can steer it. And yeah. And today I was on a junkyard. Today I was on a junkyard. Let me just reverse real quick so I can drive off somewhere. Nice. And I got a few things that I will show you in a minute. Basically, I saw on YouTube that my local junkyard has a very nice totaled BMW F30 320 XD. I thought it was really nice, and I needed a quad lock connector from it. So I called them if they have the car. They had the car. I went here today. By today I mean the date video is recorded. I will put the date over here. I think they're dumb as fuck. I got here today with my friend. My friend helped me remove the head unit. You can see right now some the time lapse of this video. It took us about 10 minutes because we were talking non-stop. Someone was already trying to do something with this head unit earlier, because there were two like broken screws, like no heads, only the thread inside. If we just got it out, we cut everything, and I took it home. I paid about €5 for it. I will put the exact price on the screen. And yeah, I wanted to get a 6-gear shifter knob as well from it, but let's just say it wasn't budget friendly, because I didn't have that much money at me. So I looked for a cheaper like replacement. I found some really nice gear shifter knobs, 6 gears also, from Lancia Delta, Volvo V60 or S60. I'm not even sure. I don't remember that. I'm not good at Volvos. And basically, I got a Renault Scenic Mark II, and yeah, I sold it. And yeah, basically I got a Renault Scenic Mark II knob that is in like white, creamy, beige color. Oh, what the fuck is this? Polish roads. I mean, I know I'm not using the newest version, but okay, who cares? This is how it looks. Let me just stop, pull over like at the dominoes over here, park it real quick. I don't even pay attention to all the cars. Oopsie. This is my shifter right now. I only installed the knob of it. I just hot glued this to my desk. I mean to my desk, to my like stick, because the old shifter knob over here was plain plastic. This is maybe not the prettiest condition, but I got it for a fair price. And I also got the like leather surrounding of it. I'm not really sure how to call it in English. Maybe here will be the translation on the screen again. Basically, I wanted to install it as well, but it didn't fit. Like, let me show it to you. So yeah, basically I had this installed with the gear shifter on here. It was just like for reverse. For reverse, you just pull on it and you can get into the reverse. But the problem was this mister here that didn't let me change gears properly, and for the second of all, the size. It didn't cover the it just wasn't fitting, so yeah. So I just decided to fuck this shit. And why does some NPCs crash again? Anyway, so I just decided to fuck this shit. The last thing that I ordered from, the quad lock over here is installed over here. I already connected it using my polyfushar abilities. I don't know if you see it well, so let me just grab a flashlight. There it is, connected. It works fine now. I hope it will work fine as well in a couple of months of use. For now, I just played with it a little and it works. Next thing that I want is the cluster connector, so I can solder the DuPonts to the connector directly, so it makes disconnecting and connecting the cluster way easier. So that's about it for my cluster, like the setup update. Thank you so much for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. See ya!